Oh yeah. This could be the secret location of the way to get into the castle. And there was talk of them, but it's fun, right?
Right.
Oh yeah, you've got your death panel. Oh wow.
We've just come across an odd tunnel.
Right.
We've just come across an odd tunnel. So, being the people we are, we're obviously going to walk through it. So, we do it, or?
No. I like people in the shop. But there is talk, and I don't know if it's true or not, but there's kind of like led directly into the basement of the old castle on top of the hill, but I mean, lots of people, myself, have gone and searched for it, but never find it.
Go back here?
Yeah, let me just get a nice big shot of it.
No.
Not let me take a picture. Oh, nice. Right guys, go on down a minute, I want to take a picture of the M&M.
You know, you put the two cameras on.
Right guys, stop there a minute. Got a nice purple mist above your head.
Nice.
I think they shattered because look, obviously that if one stunk before any time, hopefully not now.
Well. What would you do if we came out in another dimension?
That'd be fucking good.
Back in like Victorian times.
Right, I did go through the very first death tunnel.
That is it.
Right, look at that. It's definitely Roman. I mean, you can tell that by the pebble and the floor.
Yeah, and it's old. A lot, like you say Roman, I can imagine Italy, obviously that's where it is, but that's a lot of the streets in Italy like that. You know that, Jimmy?
Yeah.
No, give me a bit of lighter in this section, please.